Welcome to SGB Mahesh PU College, Belgavi, Department of Chemistry. Let us discuss some other methods of preparations of amines of part 3 from amide by Hoffman bromamide degradation. General formula for amide is RC double bond O NH2. Amides on treatment with bromine in an aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide gives primary amines which has one carbon atom less than the original amide. This is the general equation for Hoffman bromide degradation reaction, in which consider a primary amide RC double bond O NH2, and this primary amide is treated with a bromine and aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, and there is a formation of primary amide. And there are some byproducts as sodium carbonate and sodium bromide, and water molecule is eliminated. So in this reaction, primary amines are formed which contain one carbon atom less than that of amide. It means just like this, RC double bond O NH2, this is a primary amide which contains two carbon atoms, as this is one and this is second one. Okay, so in the product which is formed as a primary amine and which contains only one carbon atom, that is as R. It means that in this reaction there is a shifting or there is a transfer of an alkyl group R to the nitrogen atom, then there is a formation of primary amine. This is also called as degradation reaction. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amides to the nitrogen atom. That is what I explained in the previous reaction. Consider an example for Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. Acetamide on treatment with bromine in an aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide forms methanamine. For example, this is called as acetamide. This is treated with bromine and aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. There is a formation of methylamine as a primary amine which is formed, and again there is a byproducts as sodium carbonate and sodium bromide and water molecule. So what is going on here? This is called as an acetamide in which there are two carbon atoms are there, as one is as carbonyl carbon and another one is an alkyl group as CH3. So in this case, this CH3 or an alkyl group which is shifted to the nitrogen or which is transferred to the nitrogen or which undergoing rearrangement to the nitrogen atom, and there is a formation of primary amine. It means the primary amine which is formed which contains one carbon atom is less than its amide. We can understand clearly Hoffman's bromamide degradation reaction by learning the mechanism of it. So we consider the primary amide as RC double bond NH2 and which is treated with bromine and an aqueous base like KOH. And there is release of HBr and there is a formation of RC double bond O NHBr. And further it is treated with a base like OH minus and there is release of water molecule, and there is a formation of two resonance structures as 1 and 2, and in these two resonance structure there is a compound which is formed as acyl nitrene, and in which there is a transfer of an alkyl group to the nitrogen atom is taking place. So after this rearrangement there is a formation of an alkyl isocyanate as structure 3, and which on further followed by hydrolysis in presence of KOH there is a formation of primary amine and potassium carbonate. We will consider another example as an aromatic amide as a benzamide, and which is treated with a bromine molecule and aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, and there is a formation of a primary amine as aniline or benzenamine, and again there is a formation of same byproducts is taking place. This is another method of preparation of amines, that is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. The structure of phthalimide is like this. This is called as phthalimide. By this we are going to prepare a primary amine. In Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, phthalimide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of phthalimide firstly, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. Let us discuss the general equation for Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So this is called as a phthalimide which is treated with alcoholic KOH, and there is release of water molecule and there is a formation of potassium salt of phthalimide. And this potassium salt of phthalimide is acting as a source of nitrogen. This is acting as a source of nitrogen for formation of primary amine, and this is further treated with an alkyl halide and there is a formation of N-alkyl phthalimide. Okay, so this N-alkyl phthalimide is further treating with an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and there is a formation of a sodium salt of phthalic acid. So this is called as sodium salt of phthalic acid, and this phthalic acid can again be converted into phthalimide and used over and over again for preparation of primary amine. Okay, and there is a product which is formed as a primary amine. There is a small note regarding this equation. Aromatic primary amine cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.